Hugo Bros emerged furious and disillusioned after a night of controversy in Agadir, where Bafana Bafana's Africa Cup of Nations campaign suffered a major setback following a 1-0 defeat to Egypt, a match overshadowed by a decisive and disputed VAR intervention. South Africa looked poised to salvage the contest when referee Pacific pointed to the penalty spot midway through the second half after Egypt defender Yasser Ibrahim appeared to handle the ball inside the box, but celebrations were short-lived. Following a review, the decision was overturned, leaving the South Africans stunned and seething. Bros did not mince his words afterward, branding the ruling ridiculous and questioning the evolving interpretation of handball laws and that he believes are eroding the essence of the game, and said the first penalty was ridiculous. Even Mohamed Salah told me after the game that he was surprised it was given. But the second one was a real penalty. The arm was extended away from the body and the ball hit it. Egypt had earlier taken the lead through Salah from the penalty spot before being reduced to 10 men later in the match. With the numerical advantage, Bafana Bafana dominated the second half, but were denied a chance to equalize by the controversial VAR decision. In his post-match address, Bros took aim at what he described as confusing and inconsistent interpretations of the supporting arm rule, and said in the pre-tournament meeting, they said clear, if the arm is extended away from the body, it is a penalty. Now suddenly there is something called a supporting arm. What is a supporting arm? Who invented this? His arm was extended and the ball hit it. There are so many rules now that people don't know anymore what is a penalty and what is not. Despite the frustration, the Belgian coach praised his side's second-half display, insisting they deserved more against a depleted Egyptian team, as it dominated them for 45 minutes. But in moments like that, you need a bit of luck, the ball falling kindly or shot going in. We didn't have that. Bros believes the injustice suffered in Agadir could yet serve as fuel for Bafana Bafana's final Group B clash against Zimbabwe on Monday. A must-win encounter if South Africa are to progress to the round of 16 without relying on permutations, and said we lost today, yes, but what happened on the pitch, especially the decisions, will motivate us. We will give 200% to win the next game. For Bafana Bafana, the path forward is clear. Victory against Zimbabwe will ensure qualification and render calculations unnecessary. But after a night where technology took center stage, Bros and his players will feel they are still fighting for more than just 3 points. They are fighting for fairness. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.